Welcome back, guys. I'm Brandon Wilson, and this is 26 West's very own My Personal Brand Talk Show. I'll be your talk show host today, and today I'll be having Edrick and Berenice. So Edrick, why don't we start you telling me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Edrick Dustin. I'm a 15-year-old sophomore at State College for Collegiate School. I'm part of the dual enrollment program, and I've held a 3.5 my entire life. I went to go to the University of Miami, and I went to pursue sports medicine.
Awesome. It's really impressive. How about you, Berenice?
I'm Berenice Lopez Hernandez. I'm a 10th grader at State College for Collegiate School. I'm also dual enrolled, and I am a 4.0 student throughout my whole years. And I volunteer at Suncoast Blood Centers every Thursday. As I grow up, I would like to be a private counseling psychologist, meaning I would really like to attend UF, as they have a doctorate program for that.
That's amazing. And tell me a little bit about how you even got into that program.
I guess it was a bit complicated. I had to look up on their websites to see what exactly I need to do to actually enter it. I'm just trying to get all the things before, so I can, when I actually do join it, I have all the prerequisites.
Got you. Well, that's amazing. And how about you, Edrick?
I want to go into sports medicine, and originally I was trying to follow into my brother's footsteps. He's a sports surgeon.
Awesome.
And after playing sports for a while, I realized I wanted to do it for myself because I've experienced surgeries, I've experienced injuries, really tough injuries.
Right.
And I've experienced the mental and the physical pain of that. And I want to help athletes get back to their physical shape, so they can stay mentally healthy.
That's amazing. I love that. So we have basketball, you're about to graduate, and you're trying to get into surgery and sports medicine, everything. And you seem so confident about everything. You're not nervous, really. What really made you just want to stick with it completely?
Growing up, usually seeing the success of my brother in college while doing pre-med. He also played club sports, so he had to juggle with the athletics with the academics as well.
Wow, no free time.
No free time. And there's times where he had no sleep. I've experienced his college, his med school, and now he's in residency up in Pittsburgh.
That's amazing.
And growing up in sports medicine, I played sports my entire life. I first started with soccer, and now I'm in basketball. And the injuries, the surgeries that I've had to deal with, I wanted to get back in shape, but to get back in shape, I need to go to a doctor, an orthopedist. And that orthopedist helped me. He gave me the surgery that I needed, the realignment surgery for my knees. And I can get back. I'm playing healthy now, and I feel confident as well.
That's beautiful. That's amazing. And Berenice, so you're getting into surgery, you're getting into everything. So what kind of made you want to get into everything that you're doing as far as psychology, and even wanting to go to UF?
Well, it kind of stemmed from my sister. She took psychology when she was dual enrolled. She'll tell me every day, she'll tell me all about the classes, and I loved hearing what she had to say. And it kind of stuck with me from that point on. I realized that, I would want to help someone go through their whole mental states. Like Edrick was saying, having someone in a good mental state can help them physically improve their body. And in this day and age where people take too much time and thought into social media, I really want them to feel better about themselves.
That's amazing. So I'd say about 5-10 years from now, after you're done with all school and maybe you have your own firm, where do you see yourself living?
I think I would like to stay in Florida.
Okay.
I don't see the need to go other places. It might depend, there might be more, I guess, socially anxious people other places. I know there's a lot of social media influences in California and New York, so those areas might be heavily populated with people who are constantly surrounded by social media. So I could consider going up there, but for now, I'd just like to stay in Florida.
Guys, it's been great to meet you guys, and you guys are on your way. I can't wait to see what happens.